So, dear friends, today we will study about parallel combination of capacitors. So, let us start. Parallel combination of capacitors. The very first thing is how we decide parallel. Which criteria will decide the capacitors are in parallel? So, let us draw the circuit diagram. Then I will elaborate what is basic functioning. So let us see. It is a circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. So it is nomenclature. Assume it is capacitor C1. Is capacitor suffix in for C2. Capacitor C3 is capacitor C4, and it is a voltage source. It is a positive side of voltage, negative is capital V. I1, I2, I3, and it is I4. So let us start more discussion. It is a voltage source and the current is going to flow from here and going to flow from here. So you people will see that current is going to divide here in four parts. The current emitting from battery is I, and I is going to divide here in four parts: I1, I2, I3, and I4. Let us assume it is A, it is B. So at node A, what will happen? Current I, because it is entering into the node A, so it is positive, plus all are leaving current, so all are negative. I1 is negative, plus I2 is negative, plus I3 is negative, plus I4 is negative. So if you are going to sum up, and this whole summation is equal to 0, all algebraic summation, and this is I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. So basically in this circuit, current is not flow. What flow? Charge flow. So let us see, write it as charge. Q, let us Q plus minus Q1 minus Q2 minus Q3 and minus Q4. So what you have to do? You can write this equation as Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. And you people know very well that Q equal to what? C into V. and C denotes the capacitance in that particular capacitance, and V is the total voltage. And the voltage in parallel circuit is same across each and every element, and so the voltage is same across C1, across C2, across C3, and across C4. And so Q, that's you can write C into V equal to C1 V, C2 V, C3 V plus C4 into V, right? You can remove it, this. So you can cancel out V from both sides, so you can write C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 and so on. If there are n numbers of capacitors are connected, then you can simply add it. So this is a derivation for the parallel combination of resistor capacitors, right? Parallel combination of capacitors. C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus dot 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 C. So thank you students. In this class too much. In next class we will see the numericals based on the parallel combination of the capacitance.